and I called on Honorable CM. He expressed concern on the quality of ghee procured and the quality of the laddu. Any deviation in the quality will cause this called doing apavitram, doing something which is not sacred. We found that there are various reasons why the quality of ghee is not up to the mark. We don't have any internal lab to test adulteration in the ghee. You cannot get ghee, pure cow ghee, which is offered to Swami at this rate, 320 rupees.
The Tirupati Laddu controversy recently sparked outrage after the Telugu Desam party TDP claimed that a lab report from Gujarat confirmed the presence of animal fats, including beef tallow, lard, and fish oil, in the ghee used for preparing the iconic prasadam at the Tirumala Venkateshwara temple. The controversy stems from allegations made by TDP leaders, including Nara Lokesh and Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who pointed fingers at the previous YSR Congress Party government, accusing them of allowing adulteration during their administration. The TDP claimed that the low-price ghee contracts awarded by the YSRCP, allegedly for 320 rupees per kilogram when premium ghee costs over 1,000 rupees, were a sign of substandard procurement practices under their rule. The news of adulteration in the Tirupati Laddu has deeply upset the devotees, as it strikes at the core of their religious sentiments. It has led to a huge religious outrage. Pawan Kalyan, Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, called for the formation of a Sanatana Dharma Rakshana board on Friday amid a massive controversy over alleged animal fat being found in the Tirupati temple lattice. In a post on X, Pawan Kalyan said, "The time has come to constitute a Sanatana Dharma Rakshana board at a national level to look into all the issues related to temples in entire Bharat." Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday expressed concern over reports of adulteration in the famed Tirupati Laddu. Taking to social media, Gandhi called for a thorough investigation into the issue, stressing the need to maintain the sanctity of religious spaces. Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda has sought a full report on the ongoing controversy and has committed that suitable action will be taken as per the food safety standards.